Welcome back to the Gun Collective. My name is John Patton. Guys, we are up to something epic today. We are going to set a world record. I got a call the other week from my buddy Jeremy at XTech Tactical. Jeremy said, hey man, I've got a little legal thing and we need to destroy 8,400 magazines. So how do you do that? You bring out 650 pounds of spikomite, thanks to John. And of course, you can't do this in any kind of normal way. You blow up 8,400 magazines. You need somebody special to pull the trigger. So who do we bring? We brought out the guy that taught Chris Kyle and Marcus Luttrell, Charlie Melton. All right, boys, 650 pounds of spikomite binary. Let's get that mixed and let's get this going. We got 8,400 magazines. Let's go ahead and get them unloaded. Let's do this.
Hi, I'm Charlie Melton, owner of Charlie Mike Precision. We're a small company, started about 1.5 years ago. A little bit about my background. I was a Navy SEAL for 25 years, taught SEAL Sniper School, put a lot of guys through training. Yeah, so the way I got involved with this shop was Jeremy called me from XTech and invited me out to do one of the largest binary explosive shots from 800 yards away.
You guys ready down there? In 3, 2, let's blow this up. 1!
So I jumped on the opportunity. It was an awesome shot, great guys, and happened to be on my birthday, so biggest birthday candle I ever got to blow out. The gun we used for the shot today was a 22 Tejas. Brad built this gun from scratch. Everything on here is custom made by him. The 22 Tejas, just an example of how well it performs. At 800 yards, we only had to come up 5 minutes of angle. So that's how flat shooting this round is. And it comes out of the muzzle about 3,600 feet per second, and just a flat shooting, fast round. Also, we use a right-on scope of 5 to 25 power. Good medium range scope, gets the job done. One of my favorite new bipods are the XTech bipods. These things are very stable, they're lightweight, and probably one of the best ones I've shot so far to this date. For suppressors, we're using a bunch of different kinds. Very few suppressors doesn't change your point of impact when you take it off and put it back on. Thunderbeast is one of our favorite companies. We go with ULR. Yeah, we'll have several different suppressors available, but when you buy them, you'll know they've been tested and they hold their point of impact.
Hello, my name is Jesse Clay. I'm a retired Navy SEAL. My team brothers know me as Voodoo. I'm the president of the Trident True 501c3. It's an organization that raises money for veterans to do recreational and vocational rehab. We got hooked up with XTech at SHOT Show, and it was a meeting meant to be. He was just driving down the street, asked me if I needed a ride. I told him yeah. He looked like a respectable young man. He obviously is, and now he's supporting our veterans. It's a great company, it's a great cause, and we're real happy to be on board with everybody and Jeremy.
Oh my God, look at, we cracked the freaking earth. Dude, we moved some freaking earth. Yeah, I mean, look at this. Dude, what's that? What is that? Oh.
Dude, you said that if there's carbon with an explosion, we could make a diamond.
Did we make a diamond magazine?
Hi, my name's Tom Cornelius, and I'm the CEO of a training company called Valiant Unlimited. And about a year ago, I was brought in to basically take this AK magazine design to its highest level.
I think we did.
We have to, let's look. Here, dig it out. Come here, bring a camera in. Hold on, bring cameras in. Let's look at this. Did we make a diamond magazine? What is that? Get that. Look at that.
What the?
Basically what we did is we have a stainless steel lug in the front and back to lock the magazine in. And we also have stainless steel feed lips inside of here reinforcing this.
Let's see if it works.
Let's do it.
Wait for it.
The testing protocol for this was, I would say, extensive to say the least. It's been just an excellent magazine under semi-automatic and fully automatic fire. I really want to pay a compliment to the engineers and designers who brought this to fruition.
All right, guys, so not only did we set a world record here today, 650 pounds of the Spicomite binary, but we also blew up 8,400 magazines, completely decimated them. That was incredible. Not only that, but we did it with an incredible crew. Okay, guys, we have XTech Tactical. Huge shout out to them for sponsoring this video. We got to check out the new MAG47. Absolutely incredible. I can't wait to see what you guys think of those. We also want to make sure that we give shout outs to all the great people that were here supporting us. Charlie Melton, our shooter, of course, Performance Guns that made his rifle. We had Dead Air, we had MOD Outfitters, we had Valiant Unlimited, we had Lee Armory. Guys, this was a massive, massive project. We want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And as always, we'll see you soon.